Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Augusta-Richmond, local and long-distance movers near me. We can transport your belongings safely, locally, within a state, and across state lines. We have a strong working relationship with the federal and local authorities in charge of the relocation process. We have insurance plans to cover any risk liabilities that can arise during and after the move. Our careful movers and drivers ensure that your belongings arrive at their destination without being damaged or lost. Our services are not pricey, and we can never take advantage of our customers. We get several referrals from our customers because they are always satisfied with our outstanding service. We are always open to feedback, and we always work on each of the inputs with an open mind. A local relocation is usually cheaper than long-distance moves. Our local moving rates are very cheap and ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. Our hardworking and licensed movers will give you an excellent value for your money. We're familiar with busy cities and towns, so you can rest assured that your belongings will arrive safely and on time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Augusta-Richmond moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.